How to maintain and clean brushes. Get a good professional steel brush washing container with cover. There are large and small available in the market, could be easily ordered from online stores. The large one, the cover have no lock, and smaller one usually with safety lock. When we use the container, make sure the cover is close when is not used to prevent solvent from evaporation and the fume may polluted the air. First wipe off the paint on your brush with tissue paper as much as you can. So less paint will left in the container, that will let the solvent in the container last longer, will less sediment build up. Begin to wash the brush in the container, clean the brush with paper in between washing, and when there is no more color on the paper, that shows the brush is clean and we could wipe dry the brush. Used liquid soap or dishwashing detergent to clean the brush from the remaining solvent on the brush. Wipe the brush until there is no color stain on the paper towel. When the brush is fully dry, it should be soft, even if some color stain might be permanently stick on it, that's normal, it won't carries the stain into the new paint colors application. Cleaning the washing container. When the paint sediments at the bottom of the container is too thick, it should be clean up. First let the solvent in the brush washing container color clear up overnight and pour it out to a clean container for temporary storage. You could use cooking oil strainer pot that you could easily purchase online. Clean the paint sediments at the bottom of the container, and pour back the solvent from the other temporary storage container. Throw away the paint sediments in seal bag, so it won't leaks and pollute the air. I hope this will help you to maintain your brushes in good condition. Thank you.